Hello all, this is the Mustafa from YouTube channel Tech Info. So today I am going to explain you regarding Windows Server 2016 and Active Directory. So which is a demo class. So what like things is going to cover in this course. So this is like a demo. So anybody can watch and try to understand the content of this course detail. So I have syllabus with me so that I will explain you what syllabus I am going to cover in this Windows Server and Active Directory course. This is a course would be 6 to 8 weeks course. Saturday Sunday we will going to cover. Each day is approximately 2 hours. It is an online course with WebEx session, interactive session, so we can ask questions and we can answer the questions. So I am going to cover the syllabus. What all things is going to cover in this syllabus? Yeah. So this is the syllabus where I have given the all details. So what all like no covering of this course contains course. So as I said, it is a 6 to 8 weeks course, Saturday and Sunday. Each day we will cover 2 hours approximately. So here we will cover the introduction to Microsoft Windows Server and client operating system. So basic things we will cover, what is the Microsoft Windows Server and what are the different operating systems, and also we'll cover the client operating system. And second, understanding of hardware and software requirement in Windows Server. So we will cover here what all hardware like Dell, XP, different hardware. So we will cover here to with respect to Windows Server. And third is the understanding of different types of RAID technology. So we'll cover here the RAID technology. So if you want to install operating system on any hardware, server hardware, so we have to first configure the RAID technology. Any RAID 1, RAID 5, like RAID 10, right? So that details will be covered here. And next, after operating system installation, so we'll cover the what is the Active Directory, forest, what is forest, what is a tree, and what is a domain. So all logical component and definition we'll try to understand here. And fourth one is the installation of Windows Server roles and features. So we will uh, try to learn here different roles and features in Windows Server 2012 or 16 operating system. Fifth is the installation and configuration of Active Directory services and additional domain control. So here we'll configure the Active Directory services, what is the Active Directory, and how we'll make a domain controller, and also we'll here configure additional domain control as well. Sixth is the understanding and creation of users, contacts, and OU and groups. So we'll try to understand here, learn like creation of users or contacts and OU and groups and all. And here understanding of Active Directory FSM roles and global catalog. So here we'll cover what all FSM roles are there and what is their responsibility and how it will like we can move that FSM role to one domain controller to another domain controller, and how we can able to seize that in if a scenario the domain controller is down. So that all steps will be covered in this point. Understanding of and configuration of Active Directory sites and services. So here we will cover the what is the sites and trusts Active Directory related. And ninth point is installation and configuration of a domain name server. So here we'll try to learn DNS server, domain name server, what all the how we'll configure and what is the zones, like forward and reverse lookup zones. So we'll try to understand different records also, DNS record, right? So installation, 10th point is installation and configuration DHCP server. So here we will learn the configuration of DHCP server, what is the DHCP server, why we are using the DHCP server. So all steps will be covered. And 11th is understanding and configuration of group policy. So we'll here learn what is the group policy, why we are using different types of group policy, purpose, and we'll try to create some test group policy and we can apply to end user client machine. And here understanding of system state backup and Windows backup restore. So we'll learn here different types of backups, system state backup, uh, user data backup, and restoration, like with the inbuilt backup tool Windows, right? And 14th, configuration and troubleshooting of hands-on experience and test lab. So we'll do some configuration and troubleshooting. We'll do some examples of like troubleshooting. So and also we'll learn the best practices, how to approach and how to resolve the issue. That all points will be covered. So anybody want to join here, like fresher or who is already working, he has some IT experience, then he want to like join in next level, so he want to make his career in next level, then these people can join and try to learn the new technology. Thanks for watching.